Hello viewers! In this video, I will show you how to fix an error that appears when we try to open any website in Google Chrome. The error message says, "Your clock is behind" in Google Chrome on Windows 10. So how do we fix this? Let's follow these simple steps.
Your clock is behind. This type of message appears. Click on the Update Date and Time. In the new window, click on the Change Date and Time button. Adjust the time manually and press the OK button. Next, go to Change Time Zone. Select your actual and desired time zone. I am from Pakistan, so we will select UTC plus 0500 Islamabad. Press the OK button. Press the OK button. Now, refresh the page.
I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.